In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the wallpaper on WhatsApp Web. If you've been wanting to personalize your chat environment on WhatsApp Web, you're in the right place. In just a few simple steps, you can make your chat background more enjoyable or easier on the eyes. Whether you're aiming for aesthetic pleasure or just want a change of scenery, altering your wallpaper can breathe new life into your conversations. Let's dive into the process and explore how it's done. First and foremost, you need to head over to WhatsApp Web, which you can access by typing web.whatsapp.com into your browser's address bar. Make sure that WhatsApp Web is set up properly. This means your smartphone should also be connected to the internet with the WhatsApp mobile application open. If you haven't already connected your phone with WhatsApp Web, you'll need to scan the QR code on the web page with your phone's WhatsApp QR scanner. Once everything is set up and you're logged in, you're ready to proceed. To start, direct your attention to the bottom left of your screen. You'll notice a profile icon there. By clicking on this profile icon, you open your WhatsApp settings. It's the starting point for customizing your chat background, giving you access to various options for personalization. Keep in mind that while most of these options are adaptive to the web version, their location may differ slightly from the mobile app. With the settings open, you should now click on the Chats option. This option houses all chat-related settings, from chat history to pesky storage management. But today, our main focus is the wallpaper configuration nestled within. Clicking on Chats will unravel another array of options that would allow you to tailor your chatting experience. Within the chat settings, you'll find an option labeled Wallpaper. Clicking on this will take you to the wallpaper settings, which is where the real magic happens. Here, you can browse through WhatsApp's preset wallpaper gallery, or select a solid color if minimalism suits your style more. As of now, WhatsApp Web doesn't allow custom uploads through this interface, but rest assured, the available catalog offers a decent variety that can still give your chat background a whole new feel. Choosing a wallpaper is as simple as clicking on the design you like. Once selected, it should automatically update your chat background without needing to save or confirm the change. To make sure everything's perfect before settling on a final choice, feel free to click on various options to see which wallpaper best suits your style. There you have it, a refreshed WhatsApp experience with a new wallpaper of your choice. The steps are straightforward, and now your chatting environment is not only functional but also a reflection of your taste. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your